Good morning and welcome to Daily Minute with J'Ouellette. I am Llyane and today we will conjugate the verb donner à l'imparfait. To give, add imperfect. Donner à l'imparfait. Please look under the video to see the spelling of this verb. Je donnais, I was giving. Tu donnais, you were giving. Il donnait, he was giving. Elle donnait, she was giving. Nous donnions, we were giving. Vous donniez, you were giving. Ils donnaient, they were giving, masculine. Elles donnaient, they were giving, feminine. Je donnais, tu donnais, il donnait, elle donnait, nous donnions, vous donniez, ils donnaient, elles donnaient. And now it is your turn to post under this video your questions, your comments, and a sentence using the verb donner à l'imparfait. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. And if you'd like to receive my Parisian French crash course for free, please come on over to j'ouellette.com and subscribe to the newsletter. Merci beaucoup et à demain!